Hello there, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chloe. I'm a Belgian artist who likes to create stuff and share it on the internet. Today, we're going to be painting on a rug. So, I have this very boring rug that is basically in my hallway, so it's one of the first things you see when you step into my house. And it's boring, it's beige, it's because it was the cheapest rug on IKEA, so I got that. And also it looked pinker on pictures. It's not pink at all, and it already is. And as I've decided to whimsify my home even more than it already is, if that's possible, I'm going to do two things, at least. In this video, I'm going to paint on this rug, and I'm also going to paint on the curtains that separate the entryway from the rest of the flat. Why painting and not embroidering? Two reasons. On the rug, I think it's obvious. People are going to be stepping on it, sometimes with shoes on, so it would get ruined. It would be an absolute waste of my time. And on the curtains, not only would it be visible from the back, unless I then sew on a lining for curtains. It's quite thick, and also, like, with the size and everything, I would just ruin my hands, which is absolutely not my plan at the moment. So, what am I going to be painting? That's an excellent question. I'm going to be painting unicorns. So, I'm not really a horse girl. I'm not a horse girl at all. I think ponies are cute, but a horse, they're pretty. No, they're not pretty, they're handsome, but they're not my vibe. But a unicorn, a Pegasus, My Little Pony, the centaurs in Disney's Fantasia, sign me in. The last unicorn, love her. So I've drawn these, which is what I will try to recreate on the curtains. And for the rug, I've drawn this one. They're quite simplified, inspired by medieval paintings, because drawing a horse is like the final test for an artist. If you can draw a horse, you've made it. Mine are going to be wonky, and I'm entirely fine with that. So I'm going to be using fabric paint and acrylic. I will heat set it because I do throw this rug and the curtains in the wash every so often. The rug more often than the curtains, admittedly. But obviously they're not gonna end up in there as much as clothes, so I am not too worried about the longevity of it. So enough yapping, let's get started, I guess. I've got my rug, I've got my paints, I've got my brushes, got my sketch. Time to go, I guess. I'm a bit nervous, but I'm sure it will be okay. It's quite a loose design, so it doesn't need to be perfect. I'd still like it to be, you know, at least good. That would be nice. I'm going to start with a light outline of the unicorn. I'm intentionally giving it short stubby legs, because otherwise they'll be too long at the back, and that would be horrible. So I do have to make them a bit short and stubby. But that's cute. I like me a little short, chubby horse. This is a chunky unicorn. Oh my, it is so fat. Oh no! I'm gonna make its head bigger in a moment. Yeah, the head needs to be significantly bigger. Okay, so it's gonna be more cartoonish than my initial intention, but hey. That will not look out of place with the rest of my home decor. Obviously the rug is in a material that drinks so much of the paint. I've made the horn massive. Okay, this is already very chaotic.
Order mysterious things you order from our local bookshop, Dirty Books. We're going to sign but you can get all the links to all the different places to get books are on that site. We so appreciate it. Thank you so much for the people that have already acted.
Okay.
It's a huge difference, so thank you so much. Yeah.
It is now, I believe, over a week later, and we're finally going to work on project number 2, which is the curtains. So here is said curtain that I've that I've folded so that it fits. Here, this is roughly centered, so we're good. And I guess I'm just going to start painting on it then. Just in case, here are the designs that I'm wanting to paint on the curtains. Today I'm finishing the curtains. I'm going to add some touches of pink. I'm going to use Oscar because that's what I feel like doing.
And after having had so much fun painting on a rug and on curtains, it's finally time for the reveal. you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like it, share it, leave a comment, subscribe if it's not already done, maybe watch another one, and see you next week.